Okay, let's take another minute and talk about how you can move your church forward in the area of hospitality going into Easter. And one big idea that you have to adopt is this: hospitality is everyone's responsibility. It just can't be a greeters at the front door or the pastor's spouse. For really to create an over-the-top hospitable church, everybody has to buy in. Everybody has to be of this mindset that, man, when there are people visiting, there are guests, and we're going to go over the top to be hospitable, to talk to them, to care about them, to ask them their name, to start a relationship with them, to show them God's love. So part of your job in your leadership role going into a big event like Easter is to move the entire church forward. So yes, talk to your leadership team, talk to your volunteers, train them up, but also talk to your entire church about the biblical role of hospitality. When your entire church buys into the fact that it's everyone's responsibility, you'll create a place where people love to come and won't miss coming back. Okay, I can't wait to give you even more ideas in the next tip.